Hello, hello. I've got another unboxing to share with you. I've been trying to hold off on buying any card kits lately because I have so many from over COVID and the year or so after that are piled up, which I do plan to get through and do. Even though they're older, I think they're full of lots of good stuff that I want to share with you guys. However, I am, as I work through those, going to every once in a while pull in some of the newer card kits, just because this one in particular was irresistible. So this is from Simon Says Stamp. It is the January card kit. I waited quite a bit for this to get here. I don't know if this was, like over 2 weeks, which is pretty rare for them, at least from what I can remember. I don't know how it is nowadays. They must have been waiting on something to come in, but finally it's here, and it is full of lots of cute stuff. So I want to show you guys what's included, and I don't know how much longer it'll be up. So if you want it, I would go to the website and grab it quickly, because I'm sure they're going to be coming out with their February kit really soon. Let's take a look. So it does always come in a paper bag. I've taken it out of that just to make this process a little bit easier. But the title of this is Get Yeti, and the Yetis are just so adorable. I can't wait to stamp out and color some of these. I will be doing my usual probably 10 cards, 1 kit to go along with all of this. But they always give you some samples. They always give you a list of everything that's included. And guys, I save these. I actually 3-hole punch these and I put them in a binder, and I use them for inspiration. If I'm feeling like I'm not sure about a card design or I can't come up with anything, I'll flip through all of these older papers and pull, different things from them. Oh, maybe I'll try this. Even though it's not the same collection, I feel like this is a great source to hang on to jog your creative juices and get things flowing if you need it. Okay, so starting off here, we have some sentiment strips. Loving these. Makes card making so much easier. You can cut all of this apart. I'm not positive. We may be able to foil this. Let me check really quickly. I know some of them you can. Okay, so it says 1 sheet of Simon Says Stamp Everyday Easy Sentiment Strips. So I don't think we can foil them. I will look into that, but either way, it's so nice to just be able to cut these out, pop it on a card, you're good to go. We get an envelope with a peel away sticky. Those are always really nice to have, white especially. We've got a die, Get Yeti and Balloon. He's so cute. Let's pull up the stamp so you can see how that coordinates. So here's our stamp sets, and I saw this and I was just like, oh my gosh, I have to grab this one. Get Yeti for a great day. I love a pun. There's Snow Buddy Like You. And then of course the mountains and the trees for some scenery. Here you can have him skiing if you'd like. This is what our die is going to cut out. So you can see the die does go around his little hands so he could hold things, the little heart, the little balloons. I think this is going to be really, really fun to play with. And I love when they include something like this that makes the stamps a little more interactive. We also have a mini wobbler. Love these. I haven't used any in a while, but I do have a whole drawer full of them. And then we have a sticker doodles from Doodlebug Design with a Yeti on it. Well, I was going to show you how this peels, but there we go. So that is that's a solid white sticker there. We then get a embossing folder, and this is Illuminated Jacks. So I don't know how well you can see that, but it's got a bunch of like snowflakes on it and then sort of circles around every other one as they go in a row. You see it a little better on the back there. All right, and then we have, let me pull this to the side. I'm going to show you the cardstock first, and then I will show you the pattern paper. So we've got red and blue. I love those 2 colors together, that mint blue. So we've got 2 white here, and then a whole page of this holographic, which is really, really fun. All right, so let's move this off to the side, and I'll give you a look at the 6x6 pattern paper. Grab my scissors. Again, it's got this red and blue, and I love those two together. There we go. These are double-sided. Oh, and it looks like we're getting 2 of each. That's great. So we can use both sides if we want to. So we have some cut aparts here. Yours Snow Awesome. The back side of that is with this stripe. And then we've got this pattern with the sleds and our Yetis and some trees. The back side of that, sort of a sweater knit pattern. Some trees and some mountains. The back side of that, sort of a blue, sort of snowy scene. Let's see, this is wintertime mixed in with some trees on a navy blue background. And the back of blue tone-on-tone dot. Ooh, some hot cocoa mugs. I love that on the red background. And then a pretty blue plaid. There is a little bit of red or sort of a pinkish red going through that as well. And then we have a white background with snowflakes. And on the other side, sort of swirls of teal, kind of like a snowstorm there, I guess. So that is everything included in the kit. Again, it is called Get Yeti, and we are approaching the end of the month. So if this is something you're interested in, I would grab it now while you can.